All right, here we go. So let's take a look to see what happened in the markets today, Thursday, March 25th, and we're trying to do this in 5 minutes or less. Well, at first, today looked pretty bad. When the markets opened this morning, all three major indices were down, but stocks were able to wipe out these earlier losses in an impressive rebound. So let's take a look at these indices, see what happened here today. So as you can see, the Dow here finished 0.6% higher. And actually, I got to show you what happened today because this was a super impressive rebound. So if we look at this right here, we see a 5-minute chart. And this is where we opened here this morning. So as you can see, this was yesterday's close. So we opened lower and then at first we went even lower, but then grinding higher and an impressive rebound into the close. So the Dow up 0.6%. The S&P 500 up 0.5%, but the NASDAQ couldn't rebound enough. So it finished 0.1% higher, but it could have been much worse. So as you can see, this is here, how the NASDAQ recovered from opening way down here and then closing right here. Not bad at all. So what happened today? Well, earlier this morning, everything looked pretty good. We had two major economic news coming out this morning, and they actually looked pretty good. So let me show you of what happened here. So I want to zoom in, and first of all, we had the final GDP that was released, and it came out better than expected at 4.3%. The forecast, as you can see, was 4.1%. And then also we had unemployment claims coming out, and unemployment claims came out way better than expected. So they came out at 684,000, which is the lowest level in over a year. So all of this was actually pretty good when it came out. But a few minutes later, traders got some bad news because Federal Chairman Jerome Powell gave an interview on NPR's Morning Edition this morning, and he hinted at starting to remove the stimulus that has boosted the markets during the pandemic, because he said that the rebound from the pandemic has taken shape much faster than policymakers had expected. Anyhow, in his words, he said, as we make substantial further progress towards our goals, we'll gradually roll back the amount of treasuries and mortgage-backed securities that we have bought. That's what he said. So this sounds like the Fed might be tightening its policies again. And the markets didn't like it. But then investors focused on the good news again. And especially stocks that are tied up to a successful economic reopening, such as airlines and cruise lines, they pushed the markets higher. So let's take a look at a few of these. Here we have American Airlines, so they were up 4.4% today. United Airlines gained 4.1%. Then we have Norwegian Cruise Lines, as you can see right here, up 0.9%. Also Carnival Cruise Lines climbed 3.7%. We have Boeing, another company that is benefiting from the economy reopening up again, so up 3.3%. So overall, it was good. Now, also after being down yesterday, 34% today, GameStop is back. And today it was soaring, as you can see, 53%. So it is definitely still a super volatile puppy here. Now, since we're talking about Wall Street bets and meme stocks, this is what they're calling them. AMC, the movie theater chain, was up 21% today. Anyhow, hold on. So what's going on? What's next here? Well, as you know, tomorrow is Friday. It's the last trading day of the week, and there are no more economic reports on the calendar. So traders will decide the flavor of the day tomorrow morning and then push the markets wherever they want. Now, all major indices are still slightly down for the week, and I wouldn't be surprised if traders push the markets higher tomorrow to finish the week higher. Anyhow, this wraps up today's stock market news in 5 minutes or less, and it only took us 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Keep in mind, trade what you see and not what you think. And I will see you in the next video. Take care.